In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Sierra, that's SaaS and Tech Startup Elementor WordPress theme. To purchase this theme, please use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script or the theme. After purchasing the theme, next I go straight to my dashboard. Here is my dashboard. Then next I click on appearance. Okay, this is the default theme. As you can see, it is written customize. So next I click on add new theme, upload theme, then I choose file. Here is the theme. I select it, open, then click on install now. Okay, it's brought 403 forbidden. Okay, no problem. The other ways you can go about it, let me go back to my dashboard. Next I go to my cPanel. Since I was unable to install it using that method, from there I go to file manager. So for my file manager, I go to my WP folder. Here it is. That's the folder I'm using. Then next I go to WP content themes, because I'm installing themes. Here are the themes that are there. These three. Now I'm going to upload my theme. Here. I click on upload. Here is it. Then next I click on go back. It has uploaded. Let's start. That's it started. Then I close. Let me refresh. Okay, here is it. Let me now go back to my dashboard. My appearance. Here is this. Then I activate. So next, let me go to my site. Open link in a new tab. Okay, here is it. Let me go back. I click on the theme. So I need to install the plugins for it to work very well. Click on install plugins. So let me click this to select all. Then I select what I want to do, install, then apply. So after installing them, I click on return to required plugins. Everything has been installed. Then next I need to activate them. Yes, I said what I want to do. Activate, then apply. So everything has been activated. Let me go back to my dashboard. I'm skipping this. See, everything has been installed successfully. So now let me come here, refresh. So from here I can now add menu. I can customize it. From here I can customize it to anyhow I want. So please like, share and subscribe to my channels. Please don't forget to use link in the description to buy. Use the affiliate link in the description to purchase the thing. Thank you.